Rational function, communication and thinking problem. Question 1. Explain the difference between f of x equals to x minus a times x minus b over x minus a and gx equals to x minus a. Well, if you look at it, they look very different, right? But let's analyze it. So we have f of x equals to x minus a times x minus b over x minus a, correct? Now what you can do is you can see x minus a is a common factor here. So if you cancel this out, then what do you get? It should be x minus b. Okay. So what you get is x minus b, right? Which is kind of, and you are given g of x equals to x minus b. Okay. So I made that correction. That should have been x minus b. Okay. Now, so now if you look at it, they look similar. Do you see that? Now the question is, what is the similarity or what is the difference between the two? Well, for f of x, we have x minus a in the denominator, so we should always write, even after cancelling out these factors, that x is not equal to a, right? Now when they cancel out, so whenever you have common factors in numerator and denominator, then in the graph of f of x, you will have a hole at x equals to a, right? If they didn't cancel out, if x minus a was not a factor of numerator, then you could have got a vertical asymptote, correct? In this case, since x minus a is a factor of both numerator and denominator, we have a hole at x equals to a, correct? Whereas g of x is a function which seems to be exactly the same, x minus b and x minus b, but it has no restriction, you see? Here x belongs to real numbers, right? The domain, correct? So that is the difference between f of x and g of x. Now if you draw a graph for both, for example, if I draw a graph here for both, right, then the graph of gx will be something like this, where that is, at x, if I put x equals to 0, you get minus b. So this is your minus b, right? And if I put y equals to 0, then x equals to b. So this will be b also, correct? Now, here, however, what happens is that at x equals to a, we have a restriction, and we don't. So let us say, so here you'll get a graph like this, but there'll be a hole here. So this hole will be at x equals to a. Do you understand? Those values will be same, otherwise it is same as x minus b. Do you see that? So that is a major difference. That is the difference between the two functions. Do you see that? So g of x is a continuous function, whereas f of x has a discontinuity, and the type of discontinuity is a hole at x equals to a, correct? I hope you understand it, and we have another question, couple of questions like this in our set, just to make sure that all our students get this right. Thank you.